Someone asked me a great question, and here it is. The managers who hire me to work with their personnel, they don't watch videos themselves. Yet they are the real clients because they pay the bills. Should I make marketing videos then, or just not bother? Well, I think you will love the answer to this question. And as an extra, I'm going to give you one piece of advice to help you get hired a lot more. I am Elisabeth from Top of Mind Video Marketing. In a world full of invisible entrepreneurs, your own smartphone is enough to give yourself a stage right in front of the people that you want to reach the most. So subscribe to this YouTube channel because I will help you make your company and your products visible to your future clients. If that manager that should hire you really never watches videos, which is very rare, but if that is true, then you don't have to talk to that manager in your videos. But your videos will help you to get on the radar of the organization that you would like to work for. Because around that manager, there's more people, there's employees, there's the people who daily are confronted with the problems that you can help them solve. So those are the people you will be talking to in that video. Make videos where you already help them solve the problem a little bit, because that way they will know that you are the expert. And then when there's really need for some help from outside, you are the first one they think of. You are the one whose name is mentioned to the manager, and you are the one who gets asked to help to come solve the problem. Because people choose who they know, and they feel like they know you even after seeing you on only one video. Your videos give you what you need to get hired, the shine and the status of the expert. All because you share your ideas and your knowledge in short, simple videos. Not everybody does that. To get great results from this, you have to do one thing really well. You have to make sure that whoever sees your video remembers who you are and what you do in one short sentence. Make it easy to remember. Like, this is Eric. He's the man to talk to if there's a conflict in a team in the logistics sector. Or this is Mary, and she helps people who work in healthcare to start to enjoy their work again. Or Anna, who helps teams to make their meetings super fast and really effective. Can you put this easy to remember sentence of who you are and what you help with in the heads of your audience? You will notice if it works, because you will be asked more and more often for precisely the assignments that you would like to do the most. How do you make sure your audience knows who you are and what you do? Can you tell that in one short sentence so we can easily remember? Please write it in the comments below this video. And if you were thinking of making videos about your method or system that you work with, maybe 100 or so, well, watch this video first.